Hmm. Jake, come here, now! Yep, what's up? So, what's wrong? New color? Yeah. Oh, where'd you get it from? Barksbury's. Ooh, they've got a sale on there. I've gotta go there soon. Okay, so, come with me. What? Come. Okay. Boss, what should I do with him? Boss? Put him in the cell. Hey! Ah! So, Super Bob, putting me at last. Go on then, Will. Do you want? I've been for all this business before, you know, when I take over the world, blah blah blah. Come on. Book. I know the reason why my son is dead. What? You know, with that dragon person? You cared so much about your girlfriend, but you didn't care about one little person. Oh. Yeah. I saw that person, but I didn't help him. Well, you should've. So what you wanted to do to me? Torture? Kill? Wipe my mind? I gave them so much ideas, and yet they haven't thought of them. No. I got one already. Remember that red rock? That's kryptonite. Made you go mad. Green kryptonite? That liquidy stuff in there, but it used to be rock. That makes you either die or lose your powers. If you think of you're getting out, I'm gonna put that stuff in that cell of yours. Bye bye. Ooh, is that a new color? Where'd you get it from? Remember that red rock? That's kryptonite. If I can get green crap.